Borough Park ran from about 39th Street to 60th Street, from, let's say, 9th Avenue to 18th Avenue. That's about where it was. Basically Orthodox Jews. Hardworking, blue-collar, business people. A mixture. The houses were single-family brick attached. Hey, when I was growing up, I would give my right arm for an attached house. And here we are flying all over the world. Cars and pools and all that stuff. Unbelievable. Who would have known? So our block was half Italian, half Jewish. All got along. We were family. Up on the block was a couple of Irish families. I didn't know that well. 13th Avenue was the main drag where all the stores were. Friday night, my father and mother would go for their walk from 41st up to 50th and back again.